On Monday, BERG wind conditions resulted in windy, uncomfortably hot and dry weather for the southern as well as the Eastern Cape, especially the coastal areas where maximum temperatures soared to 40 degrees over the drought-stricken Nelson Mandela Bay. This is ahead of a cold front expected to make landfall on Tuesday over the southwestern coast. So let's jump into the forecast. Our latest satellite loop beautifully showing that cold front making its way to South Africa, expected to make landfall on Tuesday just before midday over the southwestern coast, spreading showers over the peninsula, Cape Town and surrounding areas, but quickly slipping south, then reconnecting with an upper level trough. Therefore, we are expecting a few isolated thunderstorms from late afternoon, extending over the northern Cape, parts of the Karoo all the way to the Eastern Cape, and a few isolated storms likely over Nelson Mandela Bay. As mentioned, scattered showers expected before midday over the peninsula and Cape Town, and then into the afternoon, isolated showers for parts of the west coast, the Boerlands, as well as the Overberg. Ahead of that cold front, a moderate to fresh northwesterly wind blowing, and then later scattered showers expected over the peninsula as well as Cape Town. That front quickly slipping south, therefore only showers likely over parts of the Winelands and the Overberg, and no rain expected over the central and extreme western parts. But that upper level trough could result in a few thunderstorms developing over Beaufort West, extending all the way to Nelson Mandela Bay. It's a mainly hot day for the rest of the Eastern Cape, a northeasterly wind along the coast with a high of 33 degrees the afternoon in East London. Also a mainly hot and sunny Tuesday for KwaZulu-Natal, temperature soaring to 30 degrees and windy along the coast with a fresh northeasterly wind at times. A few foggy patches on Tuesday morning for Mpumalanga, later mainly sunny with maximum temperatures expected in the mid-20s. Also a few clouds around in Limpopo on Tuesday, becoming very warm in the afternoon with temperatures also soaring to the upper 20s in the Lowveld, the central parts and the Bushveld. In northwest, partly cloudy skies at times with a northerly wind blowing and maximum temperatures also expected in the upper 20s. And then in the Northern Cape, ahead of that cold front, a gusting west-northwesterly wind expected, especially in parts of the Karoo. Then later, a few isolated thunderstorms extending all the way from Upington over parts of the Karoo and reaching the Eastern Cape. In the Free State, lots of sunshine, a northerly wind blowing, and 27 in Forest Smith, Bloemfontein, as well as Welkom. Also a few clouds around in Gauteng on Tuesday with a high of 25 in Johannesburg and 27 expected in Pretoria. And then on Wednesday, another weak cold front, mainly bringing some drizzle for the peninsula and surrounding areas, and that band of thunderstorms extending over the central parts of South Africa. On Thursday, we're expecting stormy conditions to move over parts of the Cape provinces, extending all the way to the Wild Coast and later the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.